Hey guys, what's up? It's Landing Gamer here, and today we're gonna be playing some Crossy Road. And guys, memories. My first ever video was on Crossy Road, but I'm playing with Maisie, and you guys know that I got a new computer, so it didn't save all the characters I got. But I have been playing some Space Crossy Road, so I have some. Aww. Since I've been playing some Space Crossy Road. Look, I like been playing. I want to be Space Dog. This spot. Oh, Maisie's pointing as add another thing. No. Oh, I have enough for another character, guys. What? It's 2. Wait, what? Wait, what was that? What do we get? A rusty robot. Wait, it doesn't show it. Oh, you. Where did I get this from? Free gift in 1 hour. Let's go, guys. Oh, O'Reilly Auto Parts. I need that coin. Let's go, guys. So, guys, Thomas made a video like this too. Just that I'm making this video at like 9 o'clock at night. So. Done. And guys, if you want to comment down below what should I play next, like I always say. No. Oh no. The Eagle King. Let's get this, guys. I'll see you when I do it since the ads are fun. Okay, guys, we're back. What are we gonna get? Oh no! Wait, what? That's a glitch. There's 2 of them. That's okay. It's glitching again. Oh, this guy. He has a blaster.
Will this work?
I don't know. He just jumped off the universe. I mean, jeez.
What?
Ow. Just got hit.
On my way.
You're on your way to where? Oh yeah, I could get. I hope I get. No, not yet. Not yet.
From the director of film and writers
Oh,
of
guys. Oh. Okay. We're back.
What are you looking for?
You. Ow, I just got hit by the. Wait.
That was fun.
It's fun getting hit by a car. Well, not a car. Crazy, we're not gonna die. Bingo! Don't do that. Do this.
Will this work?
I don't know. Will your face work?
Right.
That's true. Okay, guys, I'll get this in. So, guys, we're here.
Yay!
Yeah.
Interesting.
What is? Oh, come on.
Great job.
And guys, we've been talking about maybe doing a face review soon.
That was fun.
accidentally pressed the back button. Oh. Why does that keep popping up? Okay, so guys, we're back. That is fun. Maisie, you don't have to yell at them. Maisie, you can't see that. She. Okay. Oh, I missed it. Get on! Okay, why does that keep popping up? Okay, so guys, we're already close up. See that? That's what we are playing. Bingo was the name. Yes, we got 100. We get a new.
What are you looking for?
A new character. Oh no. Who are we gonna get, Macy? This thing is so cute. A lucky cat. Ah! Oof. Hi. You can't, Maisie, the cat. Done. Ow. I don't want to do that yet. Press the button! And guys, I need to tell you something. Theo, he sadly... How did I survive that? Theo is sadly... Cool! Yeah, he's super cool. Okay, I don't know what I just said. How much trains are there in the city? Wow. Meow. Guys, I'm doing really good. I'm stuck now. Okay, so guys, I went to... Oh, no. This got ate by eagle. I'm gonna be space dog next. No! Oof. Okay, I'll just be space dog. Who should I... Oh, no, I'll just die. Okay, but who should I be, Macy? No, no. Macy, I have to. No. Guys, I'll see you when I... Okay, guys, we have to play a different game because of her. Okay, guys, we're back. Oh, no, I can't show you this information. I'll see ya. Okay, guys, I'm ready. I'm pressing space. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, so, guys, we're playing Subway Runner. I might make a series of this. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go, guys. Wait, what? B for big. Bro. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry I'm not talking to you. I just have to... Oh! Oh! Ow. I don't have my hoverboard anymore. I just got a phone. Oh no, that's the I. Oh! Ow. New high school. 1078. Let's play. Get away from me. No. Oh no. No. Ow. Dog, don't eat me. What? Dog is chasing me. Oh, I pressed. Okay, Oh, yeah. Okay, so guys, let's go. We have to get the jumping boots. Oh, yeah. Oh, I could jump. Oh! My hoverboard is gone, guys, sadly. Oh! Ow. No, what do I get? Oh, I got a new hoverboard. Ah, guys, I actually really like this game. For the first time ever playing it. Oh! Let's go, guys. I know, I'm trying. I know. Let's go, guys. No! Oh, yeah. Well, guys, I think we could do one more run. I don't have any more boards left, guys. Oh, yeah. Get one of those. And then now we have to try to... Ow! I'll just do... This, that's for you guys, since this is our last round. Guys, I'm sorry, like my... Oh, come on. My allergies have come back. Well, there. Money. Okay, so can I get something? Is there any characters I could get? Like, you have a... Guys, I might wait. Yeah, but I have to shop. Wait, is this the shop? Yeah. Hoverboards. Boost. Then top run. Oh, how much? He's 4,000. I can't. Is there one I could get? Oh yeah, I could get you. I'm pretty sure. Oh. I can't. Wait, can I get you? Oh. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Same for you. Bye.